talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for you. It's like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for uh, Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here add Edge app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. You go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Microsoft Edge. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.